Create the video, 8-12 minutes. Create the video, 8-12 minutes. Your kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located in your lower back. They filter around 200 liters of blood every day, removing toxins, regulating electrolytes, and balancing fluids. However, when they begin to fail, the signs are often quiet until the damage is already done. Today, we'll discuss 10 scientifically proven signs your kidneys might be in trouble and what you can do to protect them naturally. If you constantly feel tired, weak, or mentally drained, your kidneys might not be producing enough erythropoietin, a hormone that helps your body make red blood cells. When kidney function declines, fewer red blood cells are produced, leading to anemia and reduced oxygen supply to your tissues. This causes continuous fatigue, even after a full night's sleep. When kidneys can't filter sodium and fluid effectively, the body retains excess water. This leads to edema, or swelling, especially in the ankles, feet, and sometimes around the eyes. If you notice puffiness that doesn't go away easily, it's a sign your kidneys may be struggling to maintain balance. Your urine can tell a lot about your kidney health. Look out for changes such as foamy or bubbly urine, a sign of excess protein, blood in urine, dark or very pale color, or urinating more or less than usual. These changes may indicate that your kidneys are not filtering blood properly. Consistent puffiness around the eyes, especially in the morning, may be an early sign that protein is leaking into your urine. Healthy kidneys keep protein in the blood, where it belongs. When the filters inside the kidneys, called glomeruli, are damaged, they let protein escape. Healthy kidneys balance minerals such as calcium and phosphorus in your blood. When kidney function declines, mineral levels become unbalanced, leading to dry, itchy, or irritated skin. This is often a symptom of advanced kidney disease, especially when combined with fatigue and swelling. Pain in your lower back or sides could be connected to kidney inflammation, stones, or infection. Unlike muscle pain, kidney-related discomfort tends to be deep and persistent. If the pain doesn't improve with rest or stretches, a medical evaluation is necessary. As waste builds up in your bloodstream, a condition known as uremia, you may notice a metallic taste in your mouth or an ammonia-like smell on your breath. This happens because the kidneys can't properly remove toxins, and they start circulating throughout your body. When kidneys fail, extra fluid can accumulate in the lungs, making it hard to breathe. Also, kidney disease reduces the production of red blood cells, which means less oxygen reaches your tissues. Together, these problems can cause shortness of breath, even after light activity. The buildup of waste in your blood can irritate the digestive system, leading to nausea and occasional vomiting. If these symptoms persist and there's no clear cause like food poisoning or infection, it's time to check your kidney health through a simple blood and urine test. Your kidneys help regulate blood pressure by controlling fluid balance and producing hormones that affect blood vessels. When they are damaged, this system breaks down, leading to hypertension. And here's the tricky part. High blood pressure also damages the kidneys further, creating a dangerous cycle. The good news is that your kidneys can often recover with healthy habits. Here's what science recommends. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink enough clean water daily to help your kidneys flush out toxins. 2. Eat a balanced diet. Include fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoid excessive salt and processed foods. 3. Avoid overuse of painkillers, especially NSAIDs like ibuprofen, which can harm your kidneys over time. 4. Control blood sugar and blood pressure. They are the two biggest causes of kidney damage. 5. Exercise regularly. Even moderate activity like walking 30 minutes a day improves kidney function. 6. Quit smoking. Smoking narrows blood vessels and reduces blood flow to the kidneys. 7. Limit alcohol intake. It increases blood pressure and adds stress to your kidneys. Your kidneys are resilient. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you. Your kidneys don't shout for attention, they whisper. So listen to your body, stay aware, and take simple daily actions to keep these vital organs healthy. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Together, let's build a healthier tomorrow, one step at a time. Create the video, 8-12 minutes. Create the video, 8-12 minutes.